everyone. This is Todd Michael with TradeNick.com and have the market commentary for Friday, November 2nd. Looking at it. And wow, look at this dollar. Boy, a lot of strength on the dollar on Friday. Euro dollar pushing down to our low of about 128.30. So major drop on the euro against dollar. Was up against most of the pairs on Friday due to the market news and whatever. I don't pay a lot of attention to that. I'm looking at price action exclusively. But the fundamentals show, the sentiment of the market on Friday was to push the dollar up and the against most of the other pairs. So we're looking though for we have a short-term resistance level here at about 130.20 in this area. So nice pin bar that formed. I didn't take that trade; it was too close to. I didn't get a 2-to-1 risk reward down to the 128.30 area, so I didn't take that short. It's trading right in the middle. My trading rules, I indicate that I have to look for clear price action signals in a certain direction based on market dynamics at the time. So I didn't take that trade. But right now, Monday, I'm looking for this to either break down below the 128.30 level and then possibly retrace and test this 128.30 and show me a price action signal that tells me whether the market wants to continue to go down. There's a lot of room to go down here. Maybe 127.50 is a short-term support level based on this price action, this swing point here. But there's a lot of room to go down. I don't look past, for support and resistance, the major levels. The next major swing level is not until about 122 or 123 based on this chart. Looking at this move up, here's support. You could say we have some 125 could be a legitimate value zone here of support, but that's a big drop. You're looking at trades of 4 to 5 to 6 to 1 on the daily chart. So major potential for continued down movement on this pair. Alternatively, this thing could go back up, test this 130.20 area, come back down, or up to 131.20. That's a high. For this to show any higher movement, it's got to break above that 131.20. So right now I'm looking for short price action signals on this pair, euro dollar, and we'll see what happens on Monday. Pound dollar, same thing here. Pound fell against the dollar, as did most currencies. We had a pin bar here at short-term resistance on November 1st. That was Thursday. Friday, the thing just pound just dropped against the dollar, as did most currencies. Looking at short-term support here in the 160.20 to 159.70 zone. But I'm really looking for this pair. This has been trading so close in this zone here between 161.80 and this 159.80, 159.15 level. My trading rules state I'm looking for major signals like this one back on 921 at major support and resistance levels. This thing, I took that for a profit about 4 to 1 on that day. Going down here, I think I got right about down here, I got limited out at a profit. So this is the kind of signal I'm looking for. I don't see anything here. Short-term resistance, maybe. I'll get to the point of being experienced enough to take those very short-term trades. I wasn't comfortable with that. It was right in the middle of this range, so I didn't take that according to my trading rules. But I'm looking for this price. Pound is either going to continue to trade this way in this zone up to 162, down to 159.80, or it's going to break above or below that, and then I'm looking for price action signals like this pin bar to tell me to go in one direction or another. So nothing on pound dollar. Aussie dollar, again, Aussie fell against the dollar, not as far as some of the other pairs, but looking at some short-term support right around 103.28, 103.30, and that's a significant short-term support level. But I'm looking for price to go down to 101.69, 102 area, then show me something or break above, and go to 105, 106 area and show me something there. Nothing on Aussie right now. Kiwi dollar, nothing here on Kiwi. You can see very simply, very clear support and resistance levels, nothing showing right now. US dollar yen, boy, that pushed up above, false break above the 80.50 area and back down. I'm looking to short this pair right now. I mean, there's an uptrend, but well, I don't know. I mean, I'm going to let the market tell me what to do. If I see some pin bars form here pointing back down into this range, this pair's been kind of ranging for a while, it's choppy all over the place. I'm going to let the market tell me what to do, but nothing right here now. Euro yen. In this trade now long, based on this pin bar of October 30th, it's a little bit down. No worries. You know, you get stopped out or I won't. But this is a pretty strong uptrend here on the euro yen, and with you know, the fundamentals that are there, we're looking at potential of this thing really breaking up. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but I do know that I'm trading a strong signal right here. And I'm going to stay in this trade until I either double my money or get stopped out. So euro dollar, we're still long. Pound yen, same thing. We had a pin bar here. I didn't take this trade. I was already short the yen. So I set up a limit order, about 50% retracement of this level, just above the 127.65 level. But I canceled it because of the price action on Friday. But you know, Friday you can see the pound yen didn't. U.S. Numbers didn't have a lot of effect on this. You know, the pound finished down against the yen on that day. Had another false break of this resistance level around 120. Let's see, 129. I'm going to make that 129.50. So right around there, 129.50 area, start and end. Sorry, making a correction here. Sorry guys. There we go. Make it a flat line, but that's a major resistance level, and didn't break. It broke down. So we're still looking for something to happen on pound yen. I haven't seen a trading signal yet like this one. This could still be a valid trade in the long direction. My bias is long on the pound yen, based on price action, but I need to let the market show me what it's going to do. I'm not going to do anything yet. And finally, Aussie dollar, the pairs we trade. Look at that pin bar, classic pin bar at resistance, going back down. So I am going to be watching Aussie yen very closely, and this could very well break up. But that's my signal right there for a short trade back into this range. This has been ranging for quite a while, since about August. So that is a classic signal down. I am bearish Aussie dollar or Aussie yen right now based on this. Notice it did close above this key resistance zone low of about 83.10. So this could be a false short signal. I don't know, but I'll tell you, I'm going to watch what happens on Monday with this, because Sunday night, Monday morning Eastern time, because if price breaks below this candle low, I'm going to be short this pair for sure, for at least a 3, probably 2 to 1. Looking at this, here's 1R, 1, 2. It's a 2 to 1 trade for me. You know, it's definitely pushed down lower than that, but we have some significant short-term support right around 81.80. So that would be a nice short trade on the Aussie yen if price can break down below the Friday low of 83.04.7. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on Aussie yen. So really only one potential. I'm going to quickly look at this based on price action on Friday. Aussie dollar, just kind of going through this looking for signals. Dollar yen, euro yen, we're already in that. Pound yen, not yet. Aussie yen is the only one out of Friday that the pairs that I watch, that I trade, that showed any sort of price action signal. That's a clear pin bar down, But you're looking at, this is a range. I don't look at the EMAs when I'm trading ranges really, because they're invalid in that condition. So I'm looking at price action, support and resistance, where the market is really going, what it's really telling me based on price action. This is telling me the market wants to take the Aussie short against the yen, but since it closed above this key level resistance, I mean, I don't know about that. I have to think about that one. I haven't really encountered that price action signal in this particular circumstance before. I might take a risk and take that because it is a valid signal. Depends on if price. I will only take this trade if price breaks below that Friday low of 83. I'm going to say 83 to be even about it. So below 83, I'll be short the Aussie yen. So once again, this is Todd Michael with TradeNate.com. Thanks for coming today checking us out. I'm going to be publishing a book pretty soon about risk in Forex trading, and hope you check it out. I'm going to be putting it out there on Amazon.com. So look at it. It's going to be very, I had a lot of fun writing it and just putting a few finishing touches on it, getting it looked at. But I think you'll find it very valuable. So take a look for that. Anyway, thanks for joining today. Have a great day.